The boundary separating the traditional laptop from the mobile tablet has been steadily eroding for years. However, as we approach the final quarter of 2026, Samsung is preparing to dismantle that barrier entirely. Welcome back to TechVibe, the channel dedicated to providing discerning professionals and technology enthusiasts with comprehensive, analytical insights into the future of computing. Today, we are examining a significant paradigm shift in the mobile hardware landscape. Industry intelligence and supply chain analytics indicate that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 series represents a fundamental restructuring of their premium hardware strategy. Most notably, the traditional entry-level flagship tablet is being permanently phased out. Moving forward, the new baseline for professional mobile productivity is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. With an anticipated retail price exceeding the $1,000 threshold, this device is no longer positioned as a secondary media consumption screen. It is engineered from the ground up to be your primary workstation. But does the underlying architecture and software ecosystem truly justify this premium market positioning? Let us dive into a comprehensive analysis of what might be the most consequential enterprise-grade tablet of the year. To understand the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus, one must first analyze the strategic shift in Samsung's product roadmap. Historically, Samsung has utilized a three-tiered approach to their flagship tablets, catering to varying budgets and use cases. By eliminating the standard, lower-cost model, Samsung is deliberately pivoting away from the casual consumer market. This is a calculated maneuver aimed directly at the premium productivity sector, placing the Tab S12 Plus in direct, uncompromising competition with the highest configurations of the iPad Pro. This device is targeted at architects, video editors, financial analysts, and enterprise executives who require desktop-class performance in a highly mobile form factor. The centerpiece of this professional experience is, undoubtedly, the visual interface. Samsung's display technology has long been the industry standard, but the Tab S12 Plus introduces refinements tailored specifically for professional environments. We are looking at an expansive 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. Beyond the impressive QHD Plus resolution and the fluid 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, the critical upgrade here is the integration of advanced anti-reflective display architecture. In a corporate or field environment, ambient lighting and overhead glare can severely hinder productivity and color accuracy. This new proprietary coating dramatically reduces light reflection, maintaining deep contrast ratios and precise color calibration even in brightly lit offices or outdoor job sites. For creative professionals relying on absolute color fidelity for photo grading or video editing, this display offers reference monitor quality in a chassis that is a mere 5.6 mm thick. Constructed from aerospace-grade armor aluminum, the chassis itself is a study in minimalist industrial design. It provides exceptional structural rigidity while maintaining a lightweight profile, essential for professionals who spend their days transitioning between boardrooms and airport lounges. Furthermore, the inclusion of an IP68 rating ensures that the device is fully protected against dust ingress and water exposure, providing necessary peace of mind for field operatives and engineers working in unpredictable environments. However, the most analytical discussions surrounding the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus center on its internal architecture. Multiple credible supply chain reports indicate that Samsung is departing from its traditional reliance on Qualcomm's Snapdragon silicon for the US market. Instead, the Tab S12 Plus is heavily rumored to be powered by the 3nm MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus. While this may initially surprise brand purists, a closer examination of the silicon reveals a highly strategic decision. The Dimensity 9500 Plus is a marvel of modern semiconductor engineering. Manufactured on a cutting-edge 3nm process, it offers exceptional thermal efficiency. This is critical for a device lacking active cooling fans. When executing sustained, heavy workloads such as rendering complex 3D models in CAD applications or processing large datasets in Excel, thermal throttling is the enemy of productivity. The superior thermal management of the MediaTek chipset, paired with a robust 12 GB of base memory, ensures that the tablet sustains peak performance without degrading over time. Yet, as any professional knows, formidable hardware is ultimately bottlenecked by restrictive software. This is precisely where the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus differentiates itself from its competitors. Launching with Android 16 and the highly refined One UI 8, the tablet introduces an operating system that fundamentally rethinks mobile productivity. The core of this software evolution is the next generation of Samsung DeX, internally referred to as Neural DeX. Unlike competing desktop modes that merely resize mobile applications, Neural DeX provides a genuine, windowed desktop interface deeply integrated with generative artificial intelligence. When connected to an external monitor, Neural DeX leverages machine learning to anticipate your workflow. It intuitively manages complex multi-window configurations, supports true desktop-class browser rendering, and facilitates seamless file management reminiscent of a traditional PC operating system. Furthermore, the AI integration operates at the system level. If you are drafting a corporate brief, the system can dynamically summarize reference documents, translate foreign correspondence in real time, and format data tables autonomously. This level of frictionless, AI-driven productivity bridges the final gap between tablet portability and desktop utility. It is an environment designed not just for consuming data, but for creating complex, professional deliverables. Sustaining this level of advanced computing requires a formidable power reserve. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus addresses this with a high-density, 10,600 mAh battery. Optimized in tandem with the highly efficient 3nm processor, this capacity is engineered to endure a rigorous, continuous workday. From morning strategy meetings to late afternoon data analysis, the device provides reliable longevity. When recharging is necessary, the enterprise standard 45-watt fast charging architecture minimizes downtime, rapidly restoring power so you can return to your workflow. Furthermore, we must address the inclusion of the S Pen. While other manufacturers require the purchase of a proprietary stylus as a separate, costly accessory, Samsung maintains its commitment to out-of-the-box utility. The Tab S12 Plus includes the next iteration of the S Pen, rumored to feature advanced haptic feedback engines. For digital artists, note-takers, and professionals annotating PDF blueprints, this provides tactile resistance that simulates the physical sensation of writing on various textures. It is an ergonomic refinement that significantly enhances the precision and natural feel of digital input. Finally, the modern professional requires robust communication tools. The camera array on the Tab S12 Plus is optimized specifically for enterprise video conferencing. The front-facing 12-megapixel sensor utilizes an ultra-wide field of view paired with AI-driven auto-framing. Whether you are leading a dynamic presentation or participating in a global conference call, the software intelligently crops and tracks your movement, ensuring you remain professionally centered and focused. The rear dual-camera system, while rarely used for primary photography, provides excellent document scanning capabilities, utilizing AI to automatically correct perspective and remove shadows from digitized paperwork. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is not merely an iteration, it is a declaration of intent. By eliminating the base model, Samsung has meticulously engineered a device without compromise, targeted explicitly at those who require peak performance. With its anti-reflective dynamic AMOLED display, the thermally efficient power of the Dimensity 9500 Plus, and the transformative software experience of Neural DeX, it stands as a formidable alternative to the premium Ultrabook. We are highly interested in your professional assessment of Samsung's strategic direction. Does the transition to a MediaTek processor align with your performance expectations, and how do you foresee Neural DeX impacting your daily workflow? Please share your analytical insights in the comments section below. We read through your feedback to ensure our future coverage addresses the metrics you care about most. If you value comprehensive, height-free technological analysis, we invite you to subscribe to TechVibe. Ensure your notifications are enabled so you remain informed on the latest developments in enterprise computing and premium hardware. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive. We look forward to exploring the next evolution of technology with you in our upcoming analyses.